What's up guys, it's Victor here again. The Haylou Moripods, which cost around $30 provides everything you might want in an AirPod-like earbud. Long battery life, balanced sound, and natural sounding cores. However, many people might not like this earbud because it doesn't have a rubber ear tip, so it doesn't isolate all the sound and bass to only your ears. That's not to say it's not a good product. It's a good product. Actually, it's a great product, and I think it's for people who want to still be aware of the environment while still being able to make calls or play music hands-free. In this video, I reviewed the Haylou Moripods while also highlighting key facts that you need to take note of about these Haylou Moripods. A quick disclaimer here, this product was sent to me by Haylou, but that doesn't influence anything I'm going to say in this video. Everything I'm going to say is strictly based on my experience, and Haylou did not see this video before you guys. Also, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing by clicking that red button down there, and also ring the bell to be notified the next time I put up a new video like this one. The package is simple, yet it serves its purpose. It's a compact white box with an image of the case and earbuds on the front and a list of specifications on the back. The Haylou Moripods earbuds, charging case, USB Type-C charging cable, and user manual are the contents of the box. Moripods by Haylou, or Haylou Moripods, come in 3 colors: blue, white, and black, and I have the white color here. I was sent the white color, which I adore. It has a clean look, a very clean look, like straight to the point design. It's not here to impress anybody, it just has a very flat, clean design, and I somehow like the design of the case. But the design of the earbud, the charging case is compact and fits effortlessly into any pocket. The top and bottom borders of the casing are straight, but the sides are curved with a Haylou label on the side. The earphones also clasp magnetically into the case, securing them and preventing them from accidentally slipping out. For charging, the case has a USB Type-C connector on the bottom. One area where the Moripods appear to be notably unremarkable is in the battery life. From a full charge, the earphones last just 4 hours, which is below current norms or standards for earbuds, especially earbuds without ANC or active noise cancellation. However, the case can charge the earbuds 4 times before needing additional power, after being fully charged for about 2 hours, giving the Moripods a total of around 24 hours of listening time. I wish there are LED lights on the case to indicate battery level and charging status, but while there are no LED lights on the case, LEDs can be found on the top part of the earphone stems and become visible when the case lid is opened. It suffices to say that the Haylou Moripods are inspired by the Apple AirPods in some way, but hey, who cares? There's no need to bother about finding ear tips that fit, because the fit is simple and secure, and you almost forget that you have something in your ear because it's light and doesn't strain the ears. The earbud stems are a little longer than typical half-in ears. The Moripods design stands out among the countless earbuds in the market. Unfortunately, the design is not my favorite, but it's good that it's easily distinguishable. The buds remain put during quick shake testing, and the Moripods have an IPX-X4 waterproof rating, which means they can withstand light, rain, and dust. The battery, built-in microphones, and touch controls are all housed in the stem. The touch controls are quite standard and intuitive. The controls are snappy and they perform well in general. To control the Haylou Moripods, tap the left or right board once to play or pause music. Tap the right board twice to skip a track. Tap the left board twice to return a song. Tap the left or right board 3 times to activate the voice assistant, that's Siri or Google Assistant. Hold the left or right board to shut down the earbuds manually. Unfortunately, the earbuds do not allow you to adjust or control volume, but you can do that with your Google Assistant or Siri. The Moripods linked swiftly and effortlessly with my iPhone thanks to the newest Bluetooth 5.2 technology, with a total working distance of roughly 10 meters. Signal strength is average. I did not observe any stuttering or signal losses during my tests. Given their low pricing, the Moripods performed admirably in terms of call quality. The 2 microphones definitely picked up my voice clearly. It doesn't have the finest mic quality, but it's more than enough for basic call operations. And basically, this is the kind of audio quality you get. The Moripods aren't known for their bass, or shouldn't be known for bass because of the construction. Despite this, the Moripods still carries a punch. The bass is quite powerful, especially for an open earbud. It's snappy and doesn't have an overwhelming amount of boom or depth. Although not as bassy as other in-earbuds, the bass sounds rather natural. A mild bass smash gives modern genres like pop and Afrobeat music their uplifting tune. Apart from the clear and strong voices, the different frequencies and instruments are well separated, with effects and instruments coming from your left and right, which means the stereo effect is notably nice. The Haylou Moripods wireless earbuds are well balanced and clear sounding, with just enough bass and strong vocal presence. For an affordable earbud, the Haylou Moripods provides a shockingly nice sound. It's one of the better AirPods-styled earbuds for the money, but the battery life is not excellent. It isn't terrible, and the call quality is also very adequate. The design is not also my favorite, but in general, I think it's a very decent buy. There are other earbuds from Haylou in this price range which I have reviewed, and I had reviewed the Haylou W1 earbud, which I think is significantly better. So to watch that video, please click on this video right here. And thank you guys for watching this one. I'll see you when I see you in the next one.